Menopause reconfigures a woman's physiology, reaching far beyond fertility. Most of our organs, the heart, lungs, and liver, are built to keep ticking into our 70s, but the ovaries age on an accelerated timeline, shutting down by a woman's late 40s or early 50s. This mismatch means modern women spend up to a third of their lives in a post-ovarian state. Compare a standard cell on the left to an oocyte on the right. The egg is packed with 10 times more mitochondria, making it susceptible to energy failure. When these power plants shut down, the egg stops producing estrogen and progesterone, the body's chemical scaffolding. The ovaries act as a sentinel for the rest of the body. When they go offline, they push the first domino in a chain reaction of systemic aging. That hormone drop triggers an immediate shift in the brain. Neuroscientist Dr. Lisa Mosconi found that without estrogen to help neurons absorb energy, brain glucose metabolism drops by nearly 30%. This structural shift lowers memory and processing scores, establishing a new baseline that elevates Alzheimer's risk decades later. The cardiovascular system faces a similar shock. Without the protection of estrogen, women build arterial plaque at double the rate of men. Vasomotor symptoms, known commonly as hot flashes, are physical vascular warnings. Frequent hot flashes correlate with a higher likelihood of clinical heart attacks and strokes. This attack on cognitive and cardiovascular resilience hits women at midlife, altering their biological baseline exactly when they should be at their prime. We can measure this vulnerability in dollars. Researchers call it the menopause premium, a hidden tax levied on women during their peak professional years. According to the Mayo Clinic, the transition costs the U.S. economy an estimated $26 billion every year. That $26 billion includes lost workdays, missed promotions, and forced early retirements due to unmanaged symptoms. Women navigate severe biological headwinds at the precise moment they should be reaching the top of their industries and careers. While medicine historically focused on managing symptoms, a new frontier is attempting to delay the aging of the ovaries entirely. At Columbia University, Dr. Zev Williams and Dr. Yusin Su are leading a clinical trial called Vibrant. The trial focuses on a drug called rapamycin. Originally used to prevent organ rejection in transplant patients, it is being repurposed to target the mTOR pathway. The mTOR pathway is a series of proteins that act as a master regulator of cell growth and aging. Early data suggests this drug can preserve the ovarian reserve. While a typical woman loses 50 eggs a month, low-dose rapamycin slows that loss to 15. This effectively slows the rate of ovarian aging by 20%. Rescuing the cellular energy network of the ovaries protects the systemic health scan of the entire female body. Researchers are also exploring MOTS-C to recharge aged eggs at the cellular level. MOTS-C is a peptide encoded in mitochondrial DNA that helps regulate metabolic balance. These therapies remain highly experimental. The scientific method requires time to prove they are safe and effective for the general public. Women can protect their brain and heart today by managing blood pressure, prioritizing good sleep, and tracking cardiovascular risks. Ultimately, rewriting the biological clock ensures that a woman's physical prime lasts just as long as her ambition.